Welcome to Ham Shack Reviews. Today I'm going to show you how to change the channel and the CTCSS tone, plus a couple other things on the Radioddity HD-1 FRS radios. CQ, 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 DX, W2KU. Now, you can see I'm on channel 1 and CTS code 1. Now over here I got an up and a down switch. Top you push up, bottom you push down. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap this button and you'll see it's got the channel blinking. Then you just change this by going up or down.
2, 1.
And then once you set the channel, then you can hit it again. And then it goes over to the CTCSS code. And you can change that by going up or down as well. Now these have to match on both radios for you to be able to communicate with each other. Once that's done, you just key the mic and you're locked in. Now if you take this button here and if you hold it down, it puts this lock symbol here. It means the keypad's locked and you can't do anything. So we're going to unlock it. Now up top here you have an SOS alarm button. Over here you have a call button to call the other radio. Push it down and you get a code. So to kick it off, you have to hit this PTT button on the side here. One last thing is I'm going to give you an audio report.
Okay, this is how the audio sounds. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and ding that bell to catch my videos. 73, my friends.
Okay, if you found that video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and ding that bell to catch all my videos. 73, my friends.